Hi there, this is Duncan from Nature Connection Guide. Welcome. I'd love to introduce to you a practice that I do, and I encourage others and you to do each and every day, or as often as you can or want to do it. So this is the land acknowledgement or land gratitudes, and so I'll do one that I do that's personal to me so that you can model it and make it your own. So I do this every morning, and I'll do so now. Thank you. I usually sit or kneel and have my palms out. Sometimes my hands on my heart, and I am opening up my chest and my heart to broadcast my love and appreciation to the natural world. Thank you, sun. Thank you, blue sky. Thank you, clouds. Thank you, birds. Thank you, insects. Thank you, trees. Thank you, plants. Thank you, animals. Thank you, people. Thank you, ground. Thank you, soil. Thank you, fungi. Thank you, rock, mineral. Thank you, water. Thank you, fire. Thank you, smoke. Thank you, wind and air. And to all the beings and elements of nature, forgive me for not calling you by name, but I thank you with all of my heart. Thank you for being my community. I am you, and you are me. We are one. Thank you. And thank you. So let me know how this goes for you. I hope that this becomes a practice, and like I said, make it your own. If you want to also get more specific about the people whom you are thanking, specifically the indigenous people who are the original stewards of our land, I encourage you to do that as well. So, appreciate you listening and watching. May the forest be with you.